Time for unusual activity. So, Pete, what are you watching?
All right, so number one, I'm going to give you one of those in the industrial metals space, BHP Group, Mel. Now, this one, we don't see this that very often, but today we were seeing some really large trading in there. As a matter of fact, they bought 16,000 of the September 77.5 calls for $255 in a single print. It's really interesting, though, Mel, because not only is this not a name that we see very often, but we really haven't seen a lot of options extending out in time. So that makes it unusual as well, because they are going out to September. I got a second one for you as well. I got CITIGROUP. Now, we haven't seen this name in a long time. We've seen a lot of different financial names. Wells Fargo hits consistently, Bank of America, a lot of other names. Now we're seeing Citi once again, and Citi was trading right around $73 a share. They were buying the April 76 calls, and those were going for about $1.15. About 5,000 of those were bought, Mel, so that stood out for me just because we hadn't seen that name in a while. Lastly, I'm going to give you WHEATON Precious Metals. Now, this is another one where they've gone out a little bit in time. They went out to May. They're buying the May 40 calls, 7,900 of those calls being bought today as well. So across the board, we're seeing industrial metals, seeing some in the precious metals and in the financials. And we've been talking about some of the areas where we've seen a lot of activity. It's been in the material space, been in the industrial space, been in the financial space, and those are the names and those are the sectors that have moved mostly to the upside of late.